Have you ever been told to save money in the bank? Most of us grew up with this advice. Put your money in the bank, it's safe. But what if I told you that saving your money in the bank might actually be one of the worst financial decisions you can make? Today, I'm going to explain why you should think twice before trusting your hard-earned cash to the bank and what smarter alternatives exist. Stay with me. Banks make us believe that our money is completely safe. But here's the catch. Your money isn't really growing. Most banks offer interest rates that are ridiculously low. Let's say you put $1,000 in a savings account. At 0.5% annual interest, after a year, you'd earn just $5. Meanwhile, inflation, the rising cost of living, is eating away your money's value. That means even though your balance is the same or slightly higher, your purchasing power is actually shrinking. Your money isn't safe from inflation and it's not growing either. Banks love to hide fees in the fine print. Monthly maintenance fees, withdrawal fees, minimum balance penalties, these small charges slowly eat away your savings. You might think it's just a few dollars, but over months and years, it adds up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars lost. So not only does your money not grow, but the bank is quietly taking a slice for itself. Even banks aren't immune to failure. During financial crises, banks can collapse. Sure, in many countries, governments insure small deposits, but there's always a risk of delayed access, frozen funds, or loss of interest. If you need quick access to your money during emergencies, the bank may not be as reliable as you think. Your money could be stuck when you need it most. So, if not the bank, where should you put your money? Here are some smarter alternatives. Investing in stocks or ETFs. Historically, the stock market grows faster than inflation. With proper research, your money can grow exponentially over time. Cryptocurrency or digital assets. High risk but potentially high reward. Only put what you can afford to lose. Real estate, buying property or land, is a long-term strategy to grow wealth. Starting a small business or side hustle. Your money works for you directly rather than just sitting idle in a bank account. The key idea here is to make your money active. Money should work for you, not just sit in a bank account earning almost nothing. Another reason people save in banks is psychological. We think, if it's in the bank, I won't spend it. But this creates a false sense of security. You might feel rich because the number looks high on your account, but your wealth isn't growing. True financial freedom comes from understanding how to make your money work and grow outside the bank. So, should you never put money in the bank? Not exactly. Banks are fine for convenience, emergency funds, and short-term savings. But for long-term growth and true financial security, relying solely on banks is a trap. Explore investments, start side hustles, and let your money grow instead of just sitting there. Remember, saving is important, but where and how you save is even more important. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share it with anyone who still thinks banks are the only safe place for money. See you in the next video.